How to fix Epic Games network error. To fix the Epic Games network error, try flushing your DNS cache and renew the IP. First of all, press the window key, type cmd, and then right-click Command Prompt to run as administrator. Once you do this, you simply have to now proceed to flush your network and then restart your computer and launch the Epic Games once again. Or what you can also do is configure the public Google DNS addresses. Press the Windows key +R and type ncpa.cpl and click OK to open the network connections. Now you simply have to right-click your active connection adapter and choose the properties, double-click the Internet Protocol version 4, and then select the radio button for use the following DNS server addresses. Change the number to official Google DNS nodes, and then click OK and hit OK once again to apply it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.